don't assess, we cannot improve what we cannot measure. Now we have come to the end, but let me indicate that this is not just an end, but it's a beginning of the larger process ahead of us. We have taken a decision that let us combine all the programs that we have in reading in the province to have a singular program that we are going to take to schools. And naming the programs, in fact, confuses the teachers, as we indicated, that let us talk about the reading program. But within the reading program, then we are going to have different approaches. To say we've got EGRI, what is EGRI coming up with? We've got National Home Language, what is it coming with? We've got EGRI, what is it coming with? We've got RIO, what is RIO coming with in this pool of improving reading, the strategy of improving reading in the province. So the next step, colleagues, here, one is we agreed that we are going to have the TOT. That TOT, it's inclusive. We can see that it's not only curriculum, but also as we are going to do this, let us be able to define the roles of each and everyone in support of the curriculum. I think NECT spoke about the reading plans that are there, which are very inclusive. And these reading plans, they are not reading plans if they are just words in paper. They need to be implemented. So as we implement, let us ensure that we monitor, we support. That is our role. But also the critical role starts at the level of the district. When we talk of the implementation, what is the role of the district director to ensure that every learner in the district can read with understanding come 2030? District directors are there to provide leadership and ensure that reading remains a priority until our learners learn and be able to read at the required level. But also in our management, we've got a layer of circuit managers which also need to play a critical role. The reading is implemented at the level of the school. At the level of the school, we've got a principal whose immediate supervisor is the circuit manager. So if we want to see things happening at the level of the school, we need also to rope circuit managers on board to say they need to assist the monitoring of implementation in schools and provide continuous support. Whenever they've got these meetings, they must be able to check from the principal the progress in their schools in terms of reading. But also we've got you as subject advisors, which then play a critical role in guiding now the teachers, because the role of the subject advisor as a specialist in the subject, it's there at the level of the class. Our teachers implementing, if they need support, we are there to give support. And we also have the teachers, which then are the individuals now at the level of the school. But the teachers need to be supported by the SMTs in creating the environment that is effective for teaching and learning. Because if the schools are not creating that environment where we say the school has got its own reading plan, but the reading plan at the level of the school, how then the SMT supports that? Then the teachers, as drivers of curriculum practice at the level of the school, they will be able to translate the knowledge into day-to-day teaching practice. So you can see that everybody here has got a role to play in ensuring that we have a reading nation, not just a reading nation, but the nation that can read with understanding, as we are all lacking. So I'm saying all these components need to work together to achieve true alignment and sustainability of the reading program. As we were sitting